Amex Platinum Card Singapore Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong, but the Amex Platinum Card in Singapore is more than just a luxury card. You won't believe the range of benefits that come with it, and some hidden costs you need to know before applying. Starting with perks, cardholders enjoy access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide through Priority Pass. You also get complimentary hotel elite status, travel insurance and exclusive event invitations. Points earned on the card are versatile, redeemable for flights, hotels, or gift vouchers. Annual fees are high, around 712, so it's essential to consider whether you'll use the perks enough to justify the cost. Monthly spend can also impact your points accumulation, and some rewards are capped. Other benefits include concierge services, purchase protection, and exclusive dining experiences. For frequent travelers and luxury shoppers, these perks can be highly valuable. For casual users, the card may not offer enough return. In conclusion, the Amex Platinum Card in Singapore excels in travel, dining, and lifestyle perks but comes with a significant annual fee. Evaluate your spending habits and travel frequency to decide if the card is worth it for you.